Hello friends, today we will discuss two tenses, that is present perfect continuous and past perfect continuous. Friends, if you have observed, these two tenses are the mixture of two tenses, present perfect and present continuous, past perfect and past continuous. Let's see the structure, the formula of present perfect continuous. Friends, if you want to frame a sentence of present perfect continuous, you should write have or has plus been plus verb and plus ing. So whenever you will write a sentence of present perfect continuous, these 3 points, either have or has, been and verb plus ing, is must. Out of these 3, if any one is missing, means something is wrong in our sentence. Now see, I have framed a sentence. See the first sentence. I have been studying. Friends, when we study present perfect, we have seen when to use have and when to use has. Okay, so I have been studying. See, have 1, 2 and these 3. So friends, out of these 3, if any one is missing, means something is wrong in our sentence. See our formula. Have, been, verb is study and ing. Okay. Then next sentence is she has been singing a song. See, has, since she is a singular subject, has is used, then been is there and verb plus ing is there. Then next sentence is it has been raining. Has been and raining. Has come, been is there and verb plus ing. Then next, plural subject. So that's why we have used have. They have been watching television. See, all 3 points I have mentioned. Now friends, this is the structure, this is the framing of present perfect continuous. Once you understand this formula, then past perfect continuous is very easy. Now what is the formula of past perfect continuous? It is had. For any subject we use had in past perfect continuous, then been and verb plus ing is equal to past perfect continuous tense. Now see, same sentences which I have framed in present perfect continuous, I will turn them into past perfect continuous. Now this is a sentence of present perfect continuous. Why? Have stand for present, been stand for perfect time and verb plus ing stand for continuous process. So have means present, been is a past participle of be, it stand for perfect time and verb plus ing stand for continuous process. Present perfect continuous. Now if I want to turn this into past perfect continuous, what I will do? Only one slight change. Have will become had. Has will become had. I had been studying. She had been singing a song. It has been raining will be it had been raining. And they have been watching TV will be they had been watching TV. So this will be the only change, friends. That's why I have made a change on paper here only, so you should understand. So this is the only change when we turn present perfect continuous into past perfect continuous. Okay, friend. Uh, if you have any doubt, if you want to suggest any suggestion for me, please mention it in the comment box. Thank you very much.